A very good morning to dear children of class 6. I hope you all are fine. Today we will discuss about estimation from chapter 1, that is knowing our numbers. Now many times we have heard statements like 5,000 people were there in the stadium. 3,000 people watched movie in a theater. In fact, no one counted the exact number of people for the particular event. The numbers are the estimates giving the idea of the number of people present for the event. The exact counts may be slightly more or less than the estimates. Usually the numbers are estimated to the nearest tens, hundreds, thousands and so on. The estimation of numbers is also known as rounding of numbers. Now this concept will be clear if you look at the steps. So for rounding of a number to the nearest tens, the following steps are important. Step number 1. Look at the digit at ones place of the given number. Step 2. If the digit at ones place is less than 5, then replace the ones digit by 0 and keep all other digits of the number as they are. Step 3. If the digit at ones place is 5 or greater than 5, then we have to increase the tens digit by 1 and replace the ones digit by 0. Now let us have a look at some examples. Round off each of the following numbers to their nearest tens. So see, the first example we have 69. Now here the digit at ones place is 9. You have to see the digit at ones place, so it is 9, which is greater than 5. So we have to increase the tens digit by 1. See, so if I increase the tens digit by 1, it will become 7, and you have to replace the ones digit by 0. So the rounded off number to the nearest tens will be 70. We have first observed the ones digit, it is 9. So we have to add 1 to the tens place, so it becomes 7, and the ones place we have to make it 0, so 70. Now see the second example, 463. Now the digit at ones place is 3. So we are observing the digit at ones place, it is 3, which is less than 5. So we replace the ones digit by 0. So according to the rule, we have to replace the ones digit by 0, and we have to keep all other digits of the number as they are. So the rounded off number to the nearest tens will be 460. We have not made any change in the hundreds and tens place. We have kept it at 46, and we have only changed this ones place and we have made it 0. So the rounded off number to the nearest tens is equals to 460. Now let's see another example. We have 9575. So if we observe the digit at ones place, it is 5. So we have to increase the tens digit by 1. So this tens digit, that is 7, we have to increase it by 1. So it will become 8. So the rounded off number will become 9580. So in this way you have to round off a number. You have to follow the steps. So if the digit at ones place is less than 5, then we are just making the ones place 0, and we are keeping the other digits unchanged. And if the digit at ones place is 5 or greater than 5, then we are adding 1 to the tens place and we are making the ones place as 0. So you have to keep the steps in mind, and then you have to do the sums. In this way you can practice more sums on rounding off a number to the nearest tens from your textbook ICSE Understanding Mathematics Book 6 by M.L. Agarwal. You can go through some more examples which are given in the book before you do the sums. Thank you.